Hello friends, and this is Ajay. Now I will explain the topic ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion is categorized into 5 types. They are basics of ratio and proportion, mixtures, allegation rule, unitary system, and partnership. Basics of ratio and proportion. This approach is called ratio line. In this approach, A and B are called terms or variables or parts, etc. And these are the 3 questions that I will discuss in this tutorial. If you are able to solve these questions in 3 minutes, then you can skip this tutorial. Coming to the first question, given the ratios of A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, E, and E and F, E, F, then what is the ratio of A, F, E, B, A, D, F, B, and A, E? And this approach is called ratio line. In this approach, first write down all variables, that is A to F, and under the variables, starting from the left to right, write down the ratios, that is A is to B, that is 1 is to 2, and B is to C, 1 is to 3. Then for this thing, first you divide the upper ratio with the common number, that is 3, and then the below ratio with the common number 2, and then this is the ratio of A is to B is to C, that is the combination ratio of 3 variables. Likewise, you write down the ratios from A to F in this way, and then you find out the required ratios of the variables. Likewise, you find out the ratios of variables that are asked in the question, and this is the answer for this question. And coming to the question, given that a sum of 4500 has to be distributed among 4 people, that is A, B, C, D, such that A ratio of A, B is 1, 2, and B, C is 1, 2, and C, D is 1 is to 2. If so, then what is the share of C? And this question is similar to the previous one, and in the same way write down the ratios of combination ratio of A, B, C, D, and then you find out the share of C, that is share of C divided by the total share of 4 people into the sum, which equals to 1,20,000. Therefore, the share of C is 1,20,000. And coming to the second question, given that the ratio of intake of students across 4 branches is 3, 2, 4, 5, and later they increase the intake as 33 1 by 3, 50% and 25% and 20% respectively, and find the percentage increase in students. Initially the ratio intake of students is 3, 2, 4, 5, that is sum is equal to 14, and after increase with respective percentages the ratio becomes 4, 3, 5, 6, which sum is 18. Therefore the percentage increase in students is 200 by 7 percentage. And for this one you need not to find the increase in students separately. Directly with the ratios we can find out the increase in students, and this is the answer for this question. And coming to the third question, a bag contains 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees in the ratio of 2, 3, 4, 5. So find out the number of 5 rupees coins if the total value of currency in bag is 1560. And first write down the ratios of 1 rupees and 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees, and multiply them, that is 2 2, 3 2s are 6, and 4 5 20, and 5 10s are 50. So if these ratios are the number of coins, then the sum is 78, then the total value currency in the bag is 78. For 78, the number of the total value of 5 rupees coins is 20, but we need to find out the number of 5 rupees coins for 1560, which implies 400. Therefore the number of 5 rupees coins are the total currency value of 5 rupees divided by the 5, which implies 80. Number of 5 rupees coins are 80, and this is the answer for this question. Thank you.